Hey legends, welcome back. This is going to be just a quick fishing clip. I didn't do any intros or conclusions. I just chucked the GoPro on and just see if I can get some footage. I reckon it's worthy sharing. But in short, we get some ATVs. We try and drive all the way to the bottom of a range and then we just walk up the range. It's Easter time, so there was heaps of water around, heaps of flood water coming down off all the ranges there. I think it's worth a look. Hope you enjoy. Oh wow, he's strong, isn't he? Just tire him out, bring him up the bank. Yeah, he's a good size, eh? He's a really good size.
That one's worth taking.
That's a really good size. Can you take a photo of that for me, mate?
Yeah, of course. Biggest one I've seen all weekend.
Isn't he fat?
That is a fat fish.
That is really fat. Let's get him back in the water, eh? Look at me tail. Good fish. He's black, isn't he? He's really black. Yep. Oh, wow. He smashed that as... Oh, there's other fish chasing it. There's heaps of fish actually chasing him. Nice, healthy soot. Look at that. There's so many in this little hole here. Oh, the boys are on again. This little hole, we're at the bottom of a range and just getting smashed. There's another one, James there, smacking them. Just smashing them. You can see what I'm using. I'm just using it's just a 3-inch white paddle tail with a little bit of flicker with a 1.0 jig head. Nice and light gear here. But all these pools are just full of sooty grunter after our wet season. We've had a big wet up here in North Queensland. Just peppering this little hole. Still a good current going through here though. Might just move up 10 metres. I don't know how many fish we've pulled out of this little hole. There's another one, 3-inch white paddle tail. Another one. No! No! What a save! I've got to check out this first. That looks so fishy. It looks quite deep in there. I know it's flowing really hard, but you'd think there'd be just some little soots just sitting in the bottom of this little back eddy here, just looking up, wanting to smack anything that comes over these rapids. Might be a bit too fast flowing. Yep. Yes. Oh yeah. Oh. And it's quite heavy running through here, but there's just a little backwash here where hopefully they just sit in and just want to smash anything that's coming over the rapids. It's quite light coloured, isn't he? Yeah, nice one. Anyway, we go back. So we're just working our way up this creek system. Heaps of water's been through here, so yeah, they're still pretty active, which is good. Oh, he's just there. I gotta give that a touch up. Straight under that log. He's strong, isn't he? That's excellent. Jeez, he's black. Just straight out of that little rock wall. I'll try this one here then. And again, that's 3 hits just there. Three hits on the first cast, then nothing for the rest. Last one. And as soon as it started, it's already finished. I hope you enjoyed it. Press like and subscribe if you're desperate. Hooroo.